What's up guys, I'm your host Shabazz from Decremist, a place for reviewing different upcoming and ongoing ICO projects. In today's fresh episode, we're going to take a look at an exciting project called the Polkadex. So let's take a look at their website. The Substrate blockchain framework allows anyone to create application-specific blockchain without worrying about the technicality of the block production and consensus. It enables us to create a dedicated blockchain for the decentralized exchange, which is purpose-built and configured to optimize the performance of DEX. Previously, Ethereum smart contracts allowed the creation of DeFi services, but it is limited to the computational resources required for the proper functioning of the DEX. It does not scale well, it is not upgradable, and it has never provided a good trading experience. Even after the multiple hacks and the catastrophic losses in the centralized exchanges like MT.gox, Bitfinex, etc. Order book based DEX are not gaining volume. Limitations in the computational resources led to a rise of automated marketing making, that is AMM protocol. So let's take a look at the most important part, that is the roadmap. So the roadmap looks something like this. Quarter 3 2020 initiation, Quarter 4 2020 testnet, Quarter 1 to Quarter 2 2021 mainnet, Quarter 3 to Quarter 4 2021 bridging, while Quarter 1 to Quarter 3 2022 is the scale-up phase. So the token economics goes like this. 9% goes to the founders and team, 7% goes to the seed round, 8% goes to the strategic round, 10.19% goes to the private round, 41% goes to the treasury, 10% goes to the liquidity mining, 6% goes to the advisors, 6.8% goes to marketing and ecosystem, while the remaining 2% goes to the community round. So talking about the ticker for this token is DEX, that spells like DEX. The token type is Polkadot. So guys, this was a brief overview of the Polkadex token. If you are interested in exploring more about this or any other type of tokens, there is a link down in the description that will take you to Decremist, where you can find different details about these tokens, like their prices, the money they have raised, and most importantly, the reviews from different investors about these tokens. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to Decremist and leave us a comment.